Okay, let's take a look at making pluck sounds in the Vital Synth. The quickest way is to go and move this dot here in envelope 1 down towards this corner. This actually moves the decay and the sustain at the same time and will create a pluck sound like this. If you want the sound to last longer before it fades out, you would increase the decay. The release is when the actual note keyboard is released and then it kicks into that release stage there. So you can have a very short pluck with a long release, or you can have a bit of both, so a super short decay. You can barely hear that. And then to improve your pluck sound, one of the best things is probably to increase the number of voices. And this is the amount of detune each of these 3 voices will all be doing the same with a slight detune of 1%. And you get that much fatter sound. So as you detune it, it gets wider. The other thing you can do with your pluck is you can put in a filter. This is a resonance. If we take this down, I'll show you what that is in a second. And now this is going through this filter, but we can barely hear it. We can drop the envelope onto here, and this will move this filter at the same time. If you want a more acidic sound or acid house sound, you can increase the resolution, which pulls a little piece here. So if I take it right now, you get that more acidy sound. Stay tuned for the next video, which is going to have a look at creating basic pads.